I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? This is Ray Can Do It. Got another review today from a company, StarKnightMT. It's the same company that sent me my belt a little while back, did a review on. They sent me a belt holder for a backup belt on your side-by-side. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this. I'll show you how to install it, what all it does, the benefits, and we'll see what we got. Hope y'all enjoy. Please like, subscribe, comment. All right, guys, this was sent to me from StarKnightMT.com. It's the same company that gave me my belts to try out, did a review on. Very impressed with their belt. So let's go ahead and unbox the belt holder. Comes with instructions. Here's your roll cage clamps. Your belt holders that go in the clamps. And here's your thumb screws. Let's go ahead and find a place in the cab to mount this belt. Try to keep it out of the elements and everything. And we'll go ahead and mount it and show you how to do it as we go. All right, let's go ahead and get this installed. Put our first clamp up here. We're gonna put everything loose at first so we can adjust it when we're done. Go ahead and put the screw in. Go ahead and put my second clamp in. Once again, want to keep this loose until we get it all up in there and mounted and figure out where exactly we want to put it. Go ahead and tighten this up a little bit more. Now we're going to take our belt brackets and screw those onto the clamp. We can go ahead and tighten those up all the way. Tighten that up. All right. Now we have our thumb bolts and thumb screws. So what you're gonna do is take your belt and the way it's gonna go is in the bracket just like this. So I'm gonna push this one all the way as far as I can to the right. And let me go ahead and snug it up. Get it up almost as high as I can. All right, get that one snugged up. Belt's gonna go just like that. So let's go ahead and put our thumb screws in there. Let's see, it's gonna go about like that. There's one screw right there. Now this one here, put it about right there. Put that thumb screw on it. Now let's go ahead and tighten up this clamp. Put it about right there. Before I tighten it up all the way, let's go ahead. That's as far as up as it'll go there. Tighten that one down. Do this one about the same. Tighten it up. There you have it. Okay, as you can see right there, I have it tucked away under the roof on the front roll cage bar. It is out of the way of everybody. It is out of the elements. And it is right there just in case we need it in an emergency. All right, huge shout out to StarKnightMT. They even sent me a sticker. You know I love stickers. Guys, they reached out to me to do a review on this. I did not pay for this. They did not pay me for this product. They gave it to me to do a review and give my honest opinion, which I will in this video. I love it. Works great, very simple. Great place to put your emergency belt in case you break down on the trail, out in the middle of nowhere, whatever. You will not be stranded. Now you will always have a standby spare belt with you. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment. I will continue to put these videos out. And hope everybody has a great day.